potholes on it. Oh, starting to. Thank you. Oh, let's go after him. Yeah, Get down there.
I haven't got a helmet on.
No, no, yeah. We've only got 6 bloody quid. Just follow him the street, mate. And just tell them where they're riding. You don't need to go chasing them.
So no helmet to be in one, and there's no vehicle reg plate.
No vehicle reg plate, and there's 2 of them on, and both have got no helmets. The rear passenger's got a black jacket on with a grey hoodie type top. They're now doing a right round the roundabout towards. Bear with me a minute. Towards.
Okay.
Yeah. And he is. They've just gone off road.
And then with Hush and Mish, they wanna touch us, but they can't touch your thing cause you're a buster. You won't bust your. You see me on guard. You never see the way I came, looking like a fisherman. I can't stop, I'm a busy man. Holy fire. My lover, everything I do for you, my lover. My lover, never be a fool.
He's behind you. Yeah. You can get through there. Do you remember years ago when there used to be shit? Look at that building up there. Shake a bit. The old one. Are you in the right lane? He's just gone over his headphones. Oh, he's cutting up. You're going right, aren't you? No, I'm going left. Hey? That's the wrong way. Do you know when you went all the way to the front and cut in? They've had enough payments off us, haven't they? Yeah. You think about what they've. I mean, it's like dogs. Nice, doesn't it? Which one? Up there.